Grabe, I'm really impressed. Arigato! Nanobabo kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Ikigai, hailing from Santa Rita, Pampanga, for sending us, grabe, these are almost 20 cups of their premium refreshments. So again, we would like to thank them for a generous delivery. So just a bit of trivia, Ikigai is a Japanese word which means it encompasses joy, a sense of purpose, and a feeling of well-being in life. Wow, what a great word for a brand or a company name, no? Ikigai. Anyway, so instead of, introducing them to you one by one, why not go with them, taste testing them, and then the rest of the video, let me, introduce their names one by one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go first with their red velvet cream cheese. So, tikman na natin. Wow! Wow! Guys, I'm not lying, and unang-unang tingin pa lang natin, guys, and na-impress na ako. Sobrang premium ng refreshment na to. Yung tea natin is actually evident but not that strong. And then yung red velvet cream cheese natin, super premium. For a price of as low as 95 pesos, this is a good buy. Next is, they actually have this Grand Slam. It's the way they serve it. I wanna try this Grand Slam here. So this is brown sugar Grand Slam. Sa Grand Slam drink natin, meron tayong Assam milk tea. Meron din tayong tapioca pearl, egg pudding. Yun sa pinaka-bottom natin, we have nata de coco. Oh man, I gotta try this one. First time kong makatikim ng mga egg pudding sa isang milk tea. Okay, let me, give it a good shake. Boom! Alright. First impression, super loaded ng drink na to. Guys, as soon as you drink it, it's an explosion of different flavors and taste. Egg pudding natin, it gave this drink a little bit of, parang savory taste. What I can tell you guys is mag-e-enjoy ka habang inom mo siya, because grabe, it's loaded with, pearls, nata de coco, and then yung savory flavor nung egg pudding natin. Wow! Okay, I wanna try again yung dito sa kanilang mga cream cheese series is the dark chocolate cream cheese. Oh wow. Again guys, yung sa mga cream cheese series nila or even yung mga premium milk tea nila, for as low as 90 pesos, grabe, lumalaban ang quality with the other, well-known, already established milk tea. I gotta commend them for being true to their tagline, no? Japan's premium fresh milk tea. It is actually premium, guys. Okay, I wanna jump in premium yogurt series. So this one is kiwi, and I think this one is passion fruit yogurt. So I'm gonna go first with this one. Later on, yung kiwi titikman din natin. So this is one of their premium yogurt series. Alright, let's face it. Now at the bottom, nakikita ko meron tayong mga parang mga fruit jellies. Okay, let's check them out. Oh wow. So again, it's fruity, medyo maasim, but not that too sour, no? It's so refreshing. So yung medyo pagkaasim na, that makes it really, refreshing. Medyo citrus yung dating niya. Of course, because of the passion fruit. Now, I wanna try this one. This is kiwi. There you go. Wow. Super loaded siya ng mga fruit jellies natin. So, nag-enjoy talaga ako habang, ninunguya ko yun at the same time. Comparing it with the other, this one is more fruity para sa akin. This has a little bit of gentle approach. Parang ganun. So, I think for our taste test, I'm gonna go lastly for this cream cheesecake. Give it a quick shake para even out yung flavor natin. And then, let's taste it. Oh yeah, so parang umiinom ka talaga literally ng isang specialty cake. Wow, I think this is gonna be heavy in your belly if you are to ask for my opinion, no? Because really, sabi nga sa inyo, parang literal kang umiinom ng no, cheesecake. Wow! Grabe, so I've tasted 6 out of like 17. Let me just introduce them to you again, yung mga ibang hindi natin natikman that are also available sa kanilang menu. So this is Bubble Tea Grand Slam. Let's continue now. This is their Winter Melon Grand Slam. Meron din tayong taro cream cheese. Oh, I miss this. Now, meron din tayong choco malt. Meron din tayong Gemma chips. Next is the Hokkaido cream cheese. Next is the brown sugar. If you recall, guys, naging popular din yung brown sugar flavor sa mga milk teas before. Now, this is a blueberry fruit yogurt. Meron din tayo ditong uji matcha. And then, the last is winter melon bubble tea series. Wow! Grabe, if you were to ask me, guys, which one dun sa 6 na natikman ko ang pinaka, bet, or yeah, I would really recommend. I think I'm gonna recommend you guys for this red velvet cream cheese. If you're just new to the business or to the milk tea shop and you don't know what to choose from, I'm gonna recommend you this red velvet cream cheese. So, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Let's show some support and love to Ikigai by going to their fan page and give it a thumbs up or follow so that we could be reminded sa mga promos and other announcements. Speaking of promos, meron po silang buy 2 drinks for less. How is that? So get 2 venti size of their passion fruit yogurt drink for only 199 pesos. You are saving 31 pesos if you buy 2. They are also having a buy one take one for their bubble tea grande. 99 pesos grande. Just add 25 pesos for the venti. Sa mga cream cheese milk tea naman nila, they also have a buy one get one for only 169 pesos. And then lastly, so you saw me entered in our introduction with this Ikigai mask, an essential item available din po sa nila. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Stay safe and stay at home. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye!